arguments. Hi! In the previous videos, we saw two examples and in both the examples, we used one argument. In those functions, we had only one variable, so we used one argument. But do you remember we have written programs with many variables? Imagine if we are going to add two values, then we need two variables to store the two values. Correct? If we do the addition in a function, we need two variables. So we also need two arguments. So now, can we put two arguments in the function? In this video, let us see how to use two arguments. Okay, imagine your teacher is giving two new pens to everyone in the class. You already have one old pen. Now we are going to calculate the total pens you have. What will you do? You will add the new pens and the old pen. Correct? Now let us go to Python and see the code for the addition. I have already created a function called total_pens. Inside the function, I have created one variable for an old pen and put the value 1 because you had one old pen. Then I created the second variable called new pen and put the value 2 because your teacher gave you two new pens. To add the two variables, we have written total is equal to old_pen plus new_pen. And in the next statement, we are printing the total. Now, let us press enter and delete the tab space and write the statement to call the function. So, we write total_pens, open bracket and close bracket. Save the file and run the code. The output printed is 3. Like the examples in the previous video, let us add arguments and parameters to this function. We have two variables and two values. So, we have to put the two variables in the function statement and put two values when we are calling the function. But let us do it one by one. So, first, let us move the first variable, which is old_pen. Where should we put it? Let me show you. We take the variable old_pen and put it inside the brackets. Now we have the value 1. So we know very well that the value is the argument. Very good. So let us put this argument here, where we are calling our function. We don't need this equal sign. So let us delete it. Okay. So the code will be like, save the file and run the code. See, we got the same output 3 after putting the first argument 2. We did not have the variable old_pen inside the function, but still Python gave the output. How? It is because Python will take this value 1 from our function call and put it in the variable old_pen, which we put in the brackets of the function definition. But we still have one more variable and value inside the function. Shall we move that variable too? Okay. Where shall we put it? We take the variable new_pen from inside of our function and put it inside the brackets. After the variable old_pen, let us put a comma and then put new_pens. Next, we have the value 2. So, we know very well that the value is the argument. So, let us put this argument here, where we are calling our function. Just like parameters, let us put a comma and then put our second value 2. We don't need this equal sign, so let us delete it. Okay, this is our new code. Now, let us save the file and run the code. The same output is printed again. Again, did you notice we don't have the two variables inside the function, but still Python was able to add both variables in this total statement and give the output. It is because Python will take the second value 2 from our function call and put it in the second variable new_pen in the brackets of the function definition. So we gave two arguments, old pen value and new pen value to our function, and the function did the addition again and printed 3 after adding both variables. I hope you understand now how to use two arguments in a function. See you all again in another interesting video. Bye bye.